Hi, I'm Sam, and in this channel, I review the latest in AI product and feature releases tested against real-world practicality. Today, I want to try out this app called Guide. It apparently creates a tutorial from any rough recording without you having to edit or record voiceovers. So we're going to try it and see if that's true. So it's spelled guide.com with two Ds. I'm going to try the free tier. Name my workspace. What's my company size? What kind of work do I do? So this seems to be mostly like an enterprise solution for a company that you want a knowledge share within the company, I'll say other for now. Create stunning step-by-step videos in seconds. Explain how your product works with the video. Okay, so if I sign up, then I can get the trial, but I'm not interested in that right now. I want to try it before I put in my credit cards. Okay, so I'm going to add the extension to Chrome. Can read and change data on all your sites. I will be careful for now. I'm going to add the extension. Create your first guide in seconds. Just click through your workflow and we'll turn it into a step-by-step video guide. So capture my first workflow. What would you like to create? A demo product, standard operating procedure, employee training guide. Let's say I want to do a how-to tutorial. Choose a tab to record in. Click through your flow, stop when you're done. So what shall we tutorialize? I think one thing I can do a quick tutorial on is relevant to a previous video where I showed how to generate titles, descriptions, and timestamps for your YouTube videos using Claude. And in order to do that, to grab captions, and in order to grab captions, to not pay for any service or anything, but just go to your YouTube. So I will record that as a tutorial. So I'm going to go here. I think it is recording. So if you want to grab your captions from YouTube and then feed it to some AI to extract metadata or whatever, you go to languages, then you go to your video, then you click details and you click download. And you do VTT as the extension. Apparently it's the most token safe extension. It saves you more tokens. And then you download it and then you can feed it into your Claude, ChatGPT or whatever to transcribe and do things for you. So I'm going to say done here now and see what it generated for me. Okay, so it auto-inferred the title, download subtitles from YouTube Studio languages. I'm going to play the video now.
This tutorial explains how to download subtitle files from the YouTube Studio Languages section. You will learn to navigate through language settings and export subtitle files in the desired format. Click Languages in the YouTube Studio channel dashboard to open the language settings for your channel. Click Auto Timestamps, Description, Tags, and Titles with Claude Cowork, Part 4 Creator Automation to access the detailed language content for this video. Click here to select the language option you want to manage within YouTube Studio. Click here to open the subtitle settings for the selected language in YouTube Studio. Click Download to begin exporting the subtitle file from YouTube Studio. Click VTT to download the subtitle file in the Web VTT format compatible with most video players. You have successfully downloaded subtitle files from YouTube Studio by navigating language settings and exporting the subtitles in VTT format. This process enables you to manage and use subtitles for your videos effectively.
Okay, I must say that was impressive. When I was recording it the first time, this was my first time, I added a lot of additional commentary, but it's not necessary at all. If you have a workflow and you don't want to do this redundant step of explaining it, this fills in the gaps. So I can see how this can be a massive productivity boost for teams and enterprises where people have to share workflows and tutorials and things like that. So that was really cool. Let's see what else we can do here. This also lists the steps here and if you want it in a non-video format. I think this is so cool. What does translate do? I can add custom branding, remove watermarks, produce video engagement insights, and translate and add voiceovers. Okay, interesting. Let me go home. It has the ability to connect to these services so that I guess you can import the videos. They have a gallery that has a bunch of use cases, like how to create a task in Asana. Yeah, I think for certain teams, I think Guide is pretty cool. Teams that require a lot of tutorial knowledge exchange. But even for something like engineering, when someone's like, hey, I remember like for my previous engineering team, like when people were onboarded and stuff, they would be missing a lot of context, like, hey, where are the environment variables stored? And oftentimes, like, team members would have to jump on calls. So I can see how something like this would be really helpful in showcasing and sharing that. Well, maybe not something as secretive as environment variables being produced into a video, but you know what I mean? Things that are less confidential. So yeah, I think that's it. If you have a team, you could try this out. It has a free trial and see whether it boosts your productivity or not. But that's it for me. Follow this channel if you want to stay on top of the latest AI product and feature releases that boost productivity. Until next time, peace.